The Moto Guzzi Mille GT is one of the classic motorcycles produced by Moto Guzzi. The Moto Guzzi Mille GT was first introduced in the early 1980s as a continuation of previous Guzzi models such as the 850 T3 and 1000 SP. The Mille GT was designed as a large, reliable touring motorcycle for long trips, but with a simpler design compared to more complex touring models like the California. The Mille GT was well received by Moto Guzzi fans looking for a touring bike with a classic and ergonomic design. Although the model was not as successful as the Moto Guzzi California in terms of sales, the Mille GT managed to retain the loyalty of Moto Guzzi fans. Production of the Mille GT ended in the early 1990s, replaced by more modern models like the California 3. However, the Mille GT remains one of the classic models revered for its simplicity of design and powerful engine. Due to its success and popularity, some motorcycle enthusiasts tried to redesign the Moto Guzzi Mille GT in a more modern and technologically advanced form. The new Moto Guzzi Mille GT has a sleek, café racer-style shape, as well as a small fairing on the front. The classic black tank and short seat, designed for one person, add to the retro vibe of the bike. The lower part of the bike is equipped with a custom-designed structured frame, which maintains the naked bike look. For comfort, the Moto Guzzi Mille GT uses telescopic forks front suspension, while the rear uses dual shock absorbers. The Moto Guzzi Mille GT uses a transverse V-twin engine, with two cylinders positioned transversely to the bike's chassis, i.e. cylinders facing left and right, with a capacity of around 1,000 cubic centimeters. This engine is designed to produce large torque at low to medium RPMs, making it ideal for highway use. To support the sizable engine and maintain safety, the bike is equipped with dual hydraulic disc brakes at the front with sizable discs. At the rear, it uses a single hydraulic disc with the rear disc combined with simple yet efficient brake calipers. Although the Moto Guzzi Mille is a custom modification of a classic model, it is possible that this bike will be launched to the public, as the popularity and market demand is what Moto Guzzi is considering to launch this bike.